Welcome sa panibagong birding adventure and wildlife encounter dito sa Mount Apo. Sa araw na ito, inimbitahan ako ng dalawang birdwatchers ng Digo City na sina Alan at Peter para mag-birding. Bumiyahe kami ng maaga papuntang Kapatagan at susubukan naming makita ang mga ibon ng Mount Apo.
Sounds like might not have been the same bird. Any more, Francis? No.
Start here, we can see Apo sunbird,
Yeah.
bundok flycatcher.
Yeah, really. This one?
Yeah.
I think a few of those are around. Bigger.
Pagdating namin sa bird site, mga huni ng white eye at iba pang ibon ang agad na sumalubong sa amin. Gusto nila Alan at Peter makita ang Apo sunbird kaya pinatunog ko ang calls nito. Habang naghihintay kami sa Apo sunbird, naglista muna kami ng mga ibon na aming nakikita sa paligid. Makaraan ng ilang minuto, ito ay nagpakita na sa amin ng malapitan. Sa spot na ito, marami na silang na-record na ibon tulad ng black and cinnamon fantail, cinnamon ibon, rufous-headed tailorbird, long-tailed bush wobbler, elegant tit at negros leaf wobbler.
Oh yeah, I got that.
It's got a black head, yeah?
I think turquoise flycatcher.
Oh, really?
Still there. It's sat on the branch at the back up top left.
Yeah.
I think it's gone. No, it's still there. Still there.
Habang nagmamasid ng mga ibon, kumain muna kami at nagpahinga. Habang sila ay nagpapahinga, ako naman ay pumasok sa kakahuyan. Dahil narinig kong may grupo ng mga brown-tip bubbler ang nasa malapit lang.
back until I said to him,
Sabi ni Alan, gusto nilang makakita ng bundok flycatcher. Kaya pumasok kami sa kakahuyan at subukang tingnan.
on Monday we've got to go. Yeah, there's one over there. And this one.
Dahil wala sa site na ito, lumipat kami sa kabilang farm.
Grey-headed? Might have been a grey-headed, yeah.
It's not the garden somewhere.
No, no.
It's not the apple.
I did think maybe orange-bellied, but yeah.
Dito kadalasang nagpapakita ang bundok flycatcher. Maraming ibon sa paligid, ngunit wala pa ang gusto nilang makita. Habang naghihintay,
Young.
nililista nila ang mga nakita. Ako naman, sinasamantalang makakuha ng pictures.
There it is.
Green. Ay, the female.
Yeah. Yeah. It's very active, right?
The nest is still quite green now.
Ah, yeah, maybe it's just building it, yeah.
At biglang nagpakita ang flycatcher. Malapit lang ito sa amin, ngunit hindi ko nakuhanan ng picture ang bundok flycatcher dahil mabilis lang ito at inuna kong ituro sa kanila kung saan ito nakadapo.
Oh,
You can see it here.
you still got it?
Yeah, there. Oh,
Still there?
yeah, still there. Maybe going there.
Where's it gone now?
Let's check it.
Could have been that one.
Dahil nakita na nila ang bundok flycatcher, naghintay na lang kami ng ilang minuto para maglista ng iba pang mga ibon na nakikita namin sa paligid.
Top of this tree. 2, 3 birds. Warbling white-eyed. Little pied flycatcher again.
I miss the bundok flycatcher.
You missed it.
Yeah.
Ah.
The farm calls it.
Uh-huh. Ah, what's this one? The flycatcher? Bundok.
This there.
That's the one I saw just now. Which one's that?
Oh, this there.
Is that a bundok?
Obsessive with it. I mean, I was totally obsessed with cycling. I don't know. I got to at least be a parent. So,
Yeah. Right, where?
There.
Ah. Yeah, I got it. Not how yet. Usually when there's one, there's more than 2 or 3.
Dahil nagsimula ng mag-fog sa lugar, minabuti na naming lumakad na pabalik sa sasakyan.
last week, I don't know, I got annoyed with some other family members. Huh? In the sky? No, not tree. A long way away. Yeah. Oh, what's that? White eye?
Kung nasiyahan ka sa sulyap na ito sa aming birding adventure, huwag kalimutang i-like, sundan, at ibahagi para sa higit pang wildlife encounter. Magkita-kita tayong muli sa susunod kong birding adventure at wildlife encounter.